Improve your English. The Idle Sons. Once upon a time, there lived an old farmer with his 4 sons in the countryside. He was a hard-working man and had a prosperous life. But as he approached old age, he was unable to work as hard as before. Unfortunately, all his sons were very idle and had never gone to the fields. The old man thought of a plan to teach them the value of work. When, one day, he was on his deathbed, he summoned all of them. He told them that a considerable amount of treasure lies buried in his long neglected fields. Then his breath fails and he dies. The sons immediately went to the fields and began digging hard to find out the hidden treasure, but they couldn't find anything. Then the rain comes. They sowed seeds on the tilled soil. That year they had a rich harvest. They understood that was the real treasure. Moral: work is life, life is work. Friends, thank you for watching the video till end. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.